Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today I am sharing my bitter gourd ground chicken recipe. Let's make it. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Wash and cut the bitter gourd. Fry the bitter gourds until it is cooked and crisp around the edges. Add 4 tablespoons vinegar or lemon juice. It helps remove bitter flavor. Stir and let cook for 2 minutes. Set aside. 2 tablespoons oil in the same pan. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry until fragrant. Add 3 chopped onions. Fry on medium heat until golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon chicken bullion powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Cook further until the spices are fragrant. Add 4 chopped tomatoes. Stir and cook over medium heat. Add 1 pound of ground chicken using a spatula to break up the ground chicken into small pieces, making sure there are no lumps. Stir and cook about 10 to 15 minutes until the minced chicken and tomatoes are tender. Add the fried bitter melon. Add 2 chopped green chilies and mix well. Lower the heat, cover and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. When you see some oil separating from the gravy, your dish is ready. Garnish with chopped cilantro leaves. Serve with roti, rice, paratha or anything your heart desires.